Yes. How am I do? I sleep in my sleep, sir? I really sleep. All right, stand there. Soak you with water. Get up. Get up. You know the room upstairs. I sleep really there, say I sleep.
Little girl. Yes, when I hold you, see? When I hold you. Calm me. I want you to calm me.
Can I make me a date? Every time you put me off. Can't do it before my sister come back me. You know, have to tell her. You know, so I love her. I'm alone on the bed. Wait there. Hold on. I really dream me a dream. How could I cast this make me love public so? And I'm my sister, man. Hey. God. I can't believe. After I left out in room and say I go on my bed. Come like me go on my bed with this boy, this little dirty rasta man. I could have was so. I want to take you out of my mind. I want to take you out. I want to hear around there, hear me. I want to get you out of my mind. I want if I sit there and set me if you take my sister, man. God, this is not normal. God, please, may I beg you, answer my prayer. I not chat to him again. I don't want nothing with him again, Father God. I'm done with him. I take him out of my mind completely. I go look at a different man. I don't want nothing with him. I take him off of my mind completely. I go look at another man. I'm serious, Father God, I beg you to help me, please. I don't know how to work past this. I tell them line of Jesus. You know, say all do me say. I don't want him again. I still have this strong feeling for him. I think I love him still. I say I don't change my clothes and look at him all this up. I chat to myself because right now he come like a mad me a mad. I can't believe say. I love public so much. I want the public to be me. Because he don't want nothing with me and I still a push on me. He can't be me fit you, Father God. I change my clothes and I go in room go look at me see him because he have to do it with me. I'm serious. It's a war in here. I go change my clothes and go on there. I'm not beard. Father God, you know, so they have one saying, say, if you're not beard and go buy a cash pot, you will catch it. Yes. And you're lucky when you're not beard. So I hope me have some luck today. Me not bathe, me just change my clothes and make him feel say me bathe and put on nice clothes and ground upon him. Cause me have to get him, or if you want there with my sister alone. Father God, me not have nobody else to talk to but you. Right now, this a boy a mad me. Me can't bear the feelings them. I wonder if I dream, me just a dream like while. Cause kill me dead in the panny bed beside me. Oh. Eh, I feel look nice for my sister, man. No one know that is man. And she alone can't get him. But what could I cost this? I want Father God, please me I beg you. Tell me when my sister have when me not have. You know something feels like it damage a girl there. I don't want to hurt my sister, I swear to God. Sake of one man. How she find that the good man there and me can't find no man so good? Something must be wrong with me. Unless I hope they are public over me, Jesus. I can't take this feelings no more. Me a grown in room. You better open up the door. It's a war in here. I'm serious. Call him and find out if he's around the first. I style him and style me every minute, but me dey out the road when he in a room like me a idiot. And he tricked me last time and tell me say around here when me grown they not around. Make me dey wait till me and I call him right now.
Where they call me from, man? Hello?
Hey babe.
You call me baby. How would you still up on that?
What do you mean who me a call babe? Oh yo. No bother with it. No bother start now. A new man in this. If you see me dress up nice for you, you can go on like but no call me no babe. What do you mean how much time if you tell me say is my sister you love? Me already know say I'm my sister there. But me love you. What about that?
Yo, man, the power you depend on, I'm tell you already, you know.
Love and love equal. How? So you know, when I call your phone, and that, delete out my number out of your phone and say I'm black me. And you will see me and you're in a middle road me and warrior for your front. You think me not joking with you? You know long me like you. Me like you before you like my sister. Don't you not, no argument with me. Me can bet say I true you there around your friend they make you talk to me that they kind of weird there. And they go like you know good man. Go see if a girl them where they with.
What you say?
What you mean? I'm going your sister alone me there with. Really?
You can't love me. What did that woman, man? You depend where you depend. I tell you already, stop it, man. Me look up peace. Me have run out of my room last night. Eh?
Me cannot prove that and she worse or she not there. She can't prove it. Me want to talk to you. Which part you there? What you mean? Me if you make sure say me not come at your room. I know that contact me. You figure say same house we live in.
That you say?
What do you come like a war you want me if you war in here? Me mean say any when they come here and buy one pack of condom, you will see for me and you have to do it with me, you will see. That's when they done with you. Remember me did warn you already, you know. Me tell you already, you know. Say any You go on like you want to bait me up. And now you come and still insist like you don't want to come make me do whatever we're supposed to do. You know, say it's time due now. Overdue too. Me wait too long. You all make me the dream see you, hey boy. You feel say me not ramping with you? Me not no joking thing. My body is calling from last night till in the morning. And me they tell you, you know how much man wish. Then when how a woman for the call them phone say they in a heat. What do you? You come like you're frightened for one woman. What did you? You're going like you're no loyal man.
Yo, leave me alone now, sir.
You're going like you are the virgin and my sister take your virginity. You used to do right before. No mind chapel now you're dead with. Me I come around your room now. So if you tell me one more lie again every minute you can me watch me and me I bust up your face and go down to the police station and go tell them say you first lick me. I'm not joking. Come on for my phone. No bother going in your room. Because I know you're not in there. I have go out on the road, go buy cash pot and see if I can get one number and win. If you win one woman, one man, and the man refuse, I want to see what the number they be. Sure. See there, garnish party if you get and him a run franny. I go to the road.
You know, say you fit a description of one girl where me I look for though.
Hold on there, let me see. What time now? You have to hurry up in because I know where to get one number the cash pot.
Browning, you know, say I'm not really waste your time still, but you don't know, say, right now, me get a description of a person just like you in that year. Nice Browning like you, I know say you in a car. Brother public, you must know public. I him tell me boy, you know, my heart just, from me see you, me heart keep a beat. And I say, see you, and you, you know, and me you feel fired up. So I say, I'm bowl too much. Jaja.
Hello. You're there too far, come right here, son. What's your name?
You know, say a bush cash them call me Browning, I swear.
Bush cash.
Yeah,
so
man.
you sure say the description where the person give you is me?
Almost sure, but me sure, you know, me sure.
I don't think you reach 100% sure. Because it's not me.
Browning, are you are the
You
girl
see the man
for
with me like, a matter of fact, me love and me want to with?
Yeah.
I don't want to tell you how. But that the man there, in there with my sister. And that the man there me love and him me want me. Sorry. Me no want you.
Really?
No, me no want you. And a matter of fact, you come and talk to me and me can't even see your face. All up at me see your face. Me no want to talk to you, or who you, and who send you to me. Wrong description and wrong direction. A matter of fact, where did I go?
So hold on. Come on now, Brownie, man. Oh my God, man. You want to tell me say your sister, man, you love? And
So what
have
about
a
that?
nice man like me.
What
and
about that? No one man.
Can't do that,
One
Brownie,
time, let me
man.
hear what you have to
Me,
say.
man,
Right now, I'm not really interested, but me I listen.
Brownie, nice man like me today in your life. Just when me grow up in your life, you don't need man, Brownie. Look, Brownie, you say me no deserve it. Day in your life, look on a pretty girl like you, nicely dressed. Everything perfect, boy. You're right. Brownie, come on, man. You deserve a man of your own. Look on your body. Oh my God, man.
Excuse me? No disrespect, but you don't fit my criteria. Me depend on a different level. I'm a sister man, me say, how that affect you?
No, Brownie, me no go with that, brother. Cause you see right now.
So my sister man, I don't want a man like any other man. He's a man just like you.
Yeah.
But you want to tell me, say, my sister man no look good?
Mama, big man thing. Look part of the problem, you know. Cause me don't say a public here talk. Me know that. But yeah, me I say, man, you need a man for yourself, big man thing. See me right in front of you.
Excuse me. Let me tell you something, if you never know. You waste my time. And my sister man, and me, the three of we in one, make one. Blood thicker than water. I don't even know you. Who you? Who you? Who tell you say me want one different man from my sister man? I'm my brother-in-law. Blood thicker than water.
No.
And let me tell you something. Me admire public. There? Let me admit it now. Yes, it's public. And so what? Me admire public. The way you take care of my sister, the way you treat her right. No man never treat me so. Them the kind of treatment me want. And from me know say about a man, they take care of my sister so. I could have my mama, me and him are there.
Browning, jealousy I go come in there. Cause if your sister find out, me know you love public, and me know say your sister love public. How one brother go share can't cut in a half. Everybody want one.
My sister don't mean to me. So she will learn to share from that the time she here. Bye.
See you gonna love me, you know. Watch it. You gonna see.
Anytime you see public, tell him say me, make I come back to you. Yeah, act like I say you know public long time. How long since you know him?
Long time I know him. But I mean
Well,
to be a man.
anytime you see him, tell him say me say a hyping thing in the pan, but me not the pan level there. If he always remember say me and him, then I see him also. And my sister gone, and she now come back for now, so I'll have to ride him. Me run out of the room there, him run out the next room, and if he not come in my room, me go enter in my room, and me go always in my room, he go and tired to see me face. And he can't get me out of the race, because my sister there, me and him are there too. Tell him
Browning,
that.
you hear me I tell you?
Mm-hmm.
That will cause problems. You need a man and see a man. You understand me I say?
One man to me goodie. That's a public. That's a public.
Brownie
One
now
man
you
to
me
me
love.
That's a public.
Brownie now you
That's
me
a
love.
public.
Brown,
One
you
man
see
to
you.
me goodie.
Love you and you.
That's a public.
God know you.
That's a public.
Jaja.
To me goodie. That's a public. That's a public. One man to me goodie. That's a public. That's a public.
But I don't really miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak.
Hello? Can you give me 31? When I answer, eat your food. Me want 1 by 1 for 31. And give me 11, 50 by 50. One 35, 1 by 1 too. Make sure you say make me win, you know. Oh. Okay, thank you very much. I can't wait to win because any of me catchy. Girl, me have one man there with me love. Me have to go buy one gift. Valentine soon coming out, give me it. Me I tell you one secret, I'm my sister man. But me love him too. Yes. Give me change. Yeah, me I share with her. She feel learn to share with her blood. Thanks. So here, how much money this you give me back? 500. $500 them here? Alright, how would they funny? Oh, you look like a nanny. Oh, alright, thanks. So here? Alright. Somebody I drive fast up on the road. Mommy! Let me daughter them, mommy. my daughter there? Come here, baby. No, baby. Make your shoes stay. Come here. Come to mommy. Come. Hey. Okay, juicy baby. And chips. You can give your friend them some here. Stay with grandma till me come back. Here, baby. All right, kiss mommy. Hey, later. Here. All right, baby. Later, mama. Stay with grandma. Here. All right, bye. Love you. Bye. I call this a dirty one. Yeah. Drunk and I want to answer phone. Chum. Bye, baby. Stay with grandma. Me soon come here. Me have to go hustle on the road. All day, night before me go to my yard. Later, mommy. Later, baby. Mommy love you here. Your auntie are going to send money for you. Layla? Your auntie are going to send money for you here. So when she send it, come give me. Me go buy something for you and carry come give mommy make she give you here. All right, so later, bye. Tell mommy, say, love you, baby. Mwah, love you. Kiss me. Mwah. Good girl. Can't bother with that dirty boy, you know. I know you don't help my name pick me. You see how much time I call him, Father God? You see how much time? That's why I want to use condom. A matter of fact, God, you know, somebody did use your burst. My baby no come by mistake. I love my child, Father God, but me breed for the wrong man. I'm not sorry say me have me youth. I'm just sorry say the wrong man breed me. Because I see them and call him and he no want answer. I can't take them dirty man here, you know. And look how the good man did that look me, God. And I avoid the man and go chat to this. Yo. You not hear me and call you? Me not talk to you no better, you know. Me not talk to you no better. You come at me yard and you come chat about you come look for pick me. And not even dollar you not left for the youth. Eh? All you a sperms donor. You is not a daddy. Any of me you got code DNA is not available. You could never be my baby father. Just you is a mistake in my life. But my youth is not a mistake. Me, what? You're an idiot. He's not the only man there. Right. A liar tell. The amount of man where I look me. I told me I'm not the type of girl there. Me just easy myself up. Me tell you already it's a new man in my life. Yeah, because I don't want you back. I breed you one, come breed me again. Me tell you 1,000,000 times you want. Me tell you again, me no want you. You have to mind your pitney. See me have to left. Yo, what? Yeah, talk. Talk, me a listen, talk. So what? When last you give me money for Layla? When last? Tell me. Me can count it on my finger out of last year, 2022, the amount of time where you give me money. Now it's 2023. I know you not give me $1. And then you take your bright self and come on my gate. New man in my life. Me show you my ring finger already. You're lucky. Not because you're not no ring panny, it will be on it very soon. What I wait about you? You have to mind your pitney dirty boy. Me sorry me did come lay down with your junk crow. Whatever. Me don't care. You can't come back into my life. So what? No. Hold on there. Don't tell me say you was the best thing in my life. I lie to tell. You see the day when you come out of my life, it's the best thing you ever do. Of course. Right. You know what? I not waste my credit on you because you waste of time. I tell you already say if you don't mind your pitney me, okay your coat. Because some of you no man love jump up and down on woman and when pitney come no and turn up to no responsibility. You know what come off of my phone drunk raw. Dirty dog. No, I'm not even about to go up the road, you know.
Come here. Hey, me have a tour if I tell you.
Eh? How you love people them business, sir?
Yeah, what?
Anyway, I want to hear though.
Other day, me pass around there so.
Mm-hmm.
And I see you are start asleep. I dash you out the phone.
I lie. Eh? You not join him? You not join?
You run for me, but he not catch me. You know me fast already.
Okay. Me know you're fast like you see and bones already. Me
Hey.
know that.
But he have a room up there so. Where am I do a flat asleep? Me know what? Me have an idea. I go the rasta woman up there. I trouble him. And maybe one give him some you know, and something wrong with it.
Me know you already come with the mix up them, you know. But I hurt me the pan.
Alright.
Yo, public. Yo, public. Yo, public. Yo, public. You know public there.
You know what's not there right now? Because in Ghana and farm, I know say a farming in do. Yeah.
Yeah man, for real baby. You know say a farm, yeah man, I know a farming industry man, but I don't know, man. Look at my flag, I don't know the link, you know. But yo, I say a tight so we have a, yo, come here. Let me give you one time. Because yo, you're sexy, you know, you know. You see it? Nice girl, you know. Come on, forward it, man. Give you one tap, baby.
I lie.
Yeah man, for real, man.
Come here, you have to say that to me.
Yeah man, baby, my girl, they're nice, you know. Yeah man, so I'm going to treat it on work and thing, but yo, I said, I'm going upstairs and make a one evening call, like, come here, alone there. Just can't go with the whole one vibe, you know what I'm saying? But I worry about no work thing, man, you know, so I'm going to go with the whole vibe. I'm my virgin place, you know, I know say I'm sitting in the fridge, can drink. You know, but I guess right, you know.
No, but if the people them working now, I don't want to carry no man, like people them host that they work me at work, I don't want to fire me. You understand what me I say? So, nothing, 5 minutes can't kill me still, but forward.
Say me can call my baby girl if she want to go on. Time for go, man, now. Can't get through to her.
You ready for me, G?
I'm there all the time, you know what I mean? Long day today, yo, everything I look bright up there, you know what I mean? But you know, me a while ago, I try to call my wife, but I don't get her, so I'm going to head home now. And things, so I'm going to hold up everything.
Yeah, man. Go and do it, man. Me just go and pick up some of the enjoy later.
Alright, respect, man, as here. So tomorrow early, me forward back through.
Alright.
Alright?
Do it
Yeah,
happen,
man, respect.
Yeah.
I try to call her still.
Oh, mommy, I can't. Hello. Mama, I just done bed, you know. Up on the road, I go collect something from Sister Joyce. I did something I go collect from Sister Joyce. It's all hot. Yes, mommy, I say my bed. What's the matter wrong with you? Lady, I go collect something from Sister Joyce. Me see you. How you do over there, so?
You know, say, yeah, man, I'm a virgin public, I'm going to link over there, man.
You sure a public you go over there, Galen?
Yeah, man, I'm a public, I'm going to link, man, because I guess what I go on. You know, so I have something to say to him, and I stop by and I say, yo, no, give me one check. That's simple that.
You too lie. You know, did it. You gone from man. You sure I know your sister, you go over there too, because your sister love take people, man. And so you think her
No,
sister, man.
no. You don't know his sister. That's nobody on. I pass and go linky dog. I don't know nothing wrong, man.
You sure I know your helper?
Helper? Him have helper? Nothing didn't know say
You look a
helper
black
over
girl over there.
there. No. But they didn't know say helper over there. I'm a daddy, I'm go link.
Him not over there, he gone from morning.
Yeah, job that, you know. So when I see him, just tell him I'm linking, see? In case. You see, so. Don't know something goes up. But yo, you look good, shouldn't so you say, nah,
Hold up! But not the pan where you depend.
Sexy man, yeah, you're a nice girl.
You come like some pervert.
Pervert, when I see sexy girl, like you, and pretty and nice.
You're not in my lead.
Right,
So you
right.
go over there to public. Look here, everything happening at this era, me know about it. I see before, I hear before, okay?
I like that little style, so I like it, but I don't do nothing wrong, so I don't nothing to think about, but you market boy, so you're sexy and nice, and you're more saucy.
You in here.
I like saucy girl, I like saucy. Saucy more.
Don't touch me.
But put fun and work aside, man. I public me go link, man. I do nothing wrong.
I must see me now. I must see me. I ask him if he expect you.
Alright. And you want to take my number in the meantime? You see you, a public me go link. Remember me tell you, that's it.
Oh, good evening. What want, Candy?
Good evening. Public not there.
Oh, public. You want to say gone? Where do you want?
A long time in gone?
Yeah, a long time in gone. As I say, where do you want?
I didn't something here me did care come give him because my mind tell me say I'm hungry.
You can't left them give me, man.
No, me can't let them give you.
But you can't let them give me.
Because it's not public. And me not there.
Hold on. I kind of confused. Them not think say public and your sister when there.
You know, that no matter about right now. This a fi public. This no matter you and that no matter you. That a fi me and public and my sister business. All this concern.
Alright, you seem like you ain't coming so.
No,
later,
me can't give. Me sorry.
Alright, cool.
Hello?
Hello?
Sherlon, what's up, babe?
Hey, boo, what's going on?
Oh, man, I'm just here chilling. Oh,
my God.
Your camera turn on now. Oh, what's up?
I'm here fighting the cold. Oh, my God, it's freezing outside.
Oh, I can just imagine. Well, it's not so cold. It's okay. Not so hot, I should say, in Jamaica right now. But you know we're going already, you know. That's something we can manage. We know how to deal with it.
I like my summer day, man. The cold. Very depressing. I'm ready to come back home. But, you know, I say something we do to better our life and things. So, you know, you have to make sacrifice and so.
Yeah,
So I'm going to do.
So here what going now is like me there, just a try to stay safe. Cause you remember the conversation we talked to you about your sister?
Oh yeah, you did say you have something to tell me and you were talking about Candy that man, it really messed me up. It messed my brain up. I have a headache right after that. I'm thinking because honestly, like I told you, I can swear for her. You sure you weren't drinking or something when you were telling me?
The thing is this, you see, because she apologized and said it was a mistake because it looked like she was drinking or something, I don't know. But what I'm gonna do right now is just try to forget it because I haven't seen her all day. I don't know what's been happening. I'm coming here now. I'm just have to call her because I tried to call her when I was at the farm, but I never get through. You understand? But I had to see your pretty face because me have to get asleep. I'm want to know say everything alright. You understand? But don't worry about that. Don't worry about that.
No. We can't leave it like that. I have to have a dialogue with her because even if she was drinking, certain lines, you know, you just don't cross. And
Sure.
I'm gonna have to have a dialogue with her. I mean, you did say you guys have a conversation, and she apologized. She was drinking, but.
Yeah. The thing is, babe, I don't want to stress you out. More if you enjoy.
No. I'm not stressed, but we have to remember, say, you know, we don't hide nothing from one another.
True, that's
And
it.
we always talk things.
So you know me already, babe. You know I think already. So you can trust me. You understand?
Look here, me know, but at the same token, yeah, eat salt out there, the sun hot, and use a man.
You understand?
Say me not trust you or anything, but you know what them say, a standing thee have no conscience.
Don't worry yourself, man. You see you, what you do for me, how you treat me, me don't want to lose that. And that is something what me can't compare with nobody. I don't want you feel like nobody can ever get in your, shoes any day, any time. You understand? So me I tell you this straight out, you can count on me, you can trust me, because we share a part, we have a bond. It's not just get up and we're there together. It's much more. You understand? And we know that. So me want you to understand. So me personally, I want to know, you just do your work. Trust me, I'm here for you. I know you're there for me. All right?
I am, but like you said, we understand and all of that, but at the end of the day, you're still a man that sometimes you got to say you really want to do it, but you're a man. My God, that you say.
Don't worry about it, man. You have my lotion right on my bedside. You know what I mean? So don't worry about it.
Okay, so what's the problem?
What you kind of jerking? Know yourself, man. Don't, hey, as I say, you me a waiter. Alright? A waiter and you. There's nobody like you. You have a twin sister? You have a duplicate? You alone. No, I'm not saying nothing but there's no duplicate, there's no other you. You alone, alright? You hear me say? Know yourself, man. I know that, and that's the thing. I have your back, and you have my back. So we have to keep it right there, so. And that's the way it's gonna stay for a lifetime. Alright? Look how you're sweet on the camera. Look how you look sweet on the camera. Huh? You see, we can't lose that.
You know, me not player.
All right.
Not player because I'm far where I come from.
Exactly.
And we make a pact, and that is it. But at the end of the day, like me said, you know, me understand you're a human being, but you know.
Oh, hey.
You can't go this way.
No, exactly. No, man, leave it to me. Leave it to me for right now. I don't want to stress you out. Enjoy your day. I had a rough day as well. And guess what now? I'll call you tomorrow in the morning and we talk. Alright?
So what happens if she come back again tonight?
She can't come back again. Me in my room lock up. Alright? Don't worry about that.
Then you need to stop. Okay, so you need to stop eating salt.
Don't worry. Listen to me. Honey? Alright. So I'll talk to you in the morning. Alright? Because I had a long day today. I'm going to just talk to you in the morning. Alright, babe?
Alright, I'm missing you.
I miss you more. Alright?
Yeah.
Mwah. Alright, bro. Later. Bye-bye. Boy, my honey, me love it. Me. I'm going to cool out.
call my sister. Maybe she can't send no money come give me Father God. Yeah, try, yeah, man. Sis, what go on? Right now, I'm stressed out. I door make nice, the breeze a blow. What stress me out? Right now, I'm broke and I don't have no money out of cash for chat me they come from. I just go try my luck. I go buy some number. Hopefully, me win. But right now, I wouldn't mind a send some money come give me. I don't have no money at all to buy nothing for your niece. Yo, and the baby, I can't bother, you know. Remember say, my baby father nah give me nothing, sis. And you me have to depend upon. See me just have to go. Me just have come from the cash for me they tell you already. What? What you mean if you not just send money come give me? Remember said that the money the way you send come give me from when? Sherlan, you really expect me to have that the money the same way? Look how things expensive at Jamaica. What you hear about make you a stingy upon me so with money all of a sudden? Now what? You mean you not hear nothing, but you just send it come give me and I expect say that done already. Door tapping nice at me head here. It's like come here ask my sister for money. Yeah. I know you me the talk to. I did the door. The door I make nice at my head and I hardly can hear you. Remember say I overseas you there, you know. Me there Jamaica, win or blow. In here, where you did that say now? The things ain't expensive. Everything where they out here have tax money. So when you send one money come give me, and I like me be ungrateful, you know, me thank you very much for your help me and they send money come give me every now and again. But sis, the things them expensive out here. You go have to put some more money on where they send come give me and make it get little enough. Yeah, other day me go to supermarket when they send money come give me. If you see the amount of things that me have to put back, me shame. And the line did so long at the cashier. Me put back them. Because I couldn't pay for them. The money where did send come couldn't buy so much things. Yeah. Of course, me buy something for baby. Me couldn't buy something for myself alone. Remember say she begin now she start eat food, a big picnic that there. And a big old tough skin girl with the high school, a little kindergarten baby. And your niece, you know her size, you did there here for a few days and you see, say she eat food. Right now, I run out of stock for her. More have to send her money come give me because, as I tell you before, from morning, I not even want nobody hear me. Sis, you know, long from there, I go out the road, but I go to cash for to go buy 2 little number and the amount of sitting when I have to tap and turn up the chat. I want a little dirty foot boy about him come and look me. I don't know who send him to me. He bright? Yeah. I buy the number, of course. Hopefully, I win. I think I put a play, man. I did it by the last draft. Yeah. The amount of place when I go right now, you know, it's a night. I just come back and say I like that from morning. And if I see a little dirty drunk, we can't stop me too. And he broke arm. Look here. Oi. Hello. Come here. Hold on. Sis, I know you're still up on the line, but may I go talk to somebody? Yeah. One girl when I know for a long time, one guy when give me one message for him. Yeah. One nice girl, man. I think you know that girl there too. Maybe. Alright, later here? Yeah, man. I call her back on next day. Make sure you send the money for me because I want it. Okay, later. Yeah, thanks.
No, I want me to know me can't look for me, sir. Lord. Did they hear the man come here and have nothing, man? Jesus.
I'll lock the door here. Because I don't want the neighbor them hear me. How you feel like? Eh? And who you? Why you come out of my yard so late? Work.
Yeah, I'm going to sleep off, me doze off, take a doze off up there.
I don't understand you. Come on answer to me. What you feel like? Me will make you lose your work.
Me say, me work and me go doze off. So that's why me I go home so late.
You work and doze off. And what kind of work you did in there do?
You mean?
Oi. Me no in no laughing thing, you know. Me no in no laughing thing. Looking at my face. Look on it good. Girl. Me tell you, you know, the other day, you know, say you don't know me, you know. And I hope it's not me and my sister, man, you're there within there, you know.
Nah, Jesus, no bother with that. Me nah go there to do that. I work, me come for work, so
Well,
I do.
you see like how you love people business, you already know, and me I go tell you again, because you're a news carrier. Yes, CVM and TVJ. You see public, is me and my sister, man. You know, if you there with no other girl, and you see any how me go, they go see him. Because me know say when gone out on the road for a long time. Girl, after morning me gone. And me just a come back and you there so from morning and still there. No, you're not normally.
I doze off up there. That's why me be up there and I come to go me yard now. Come so late to go me yard now. So you have to just understand. Me could never do that, man. Could never do that to go there with the sister, man. Me wouldn't do that.
Oi.
I wouldn't do that. I work. Me come
Say
to
it
work.
properly. What you mean you could never do with my sister, man? You could never do with Fimi and my sister, man. You could never dare. Who you? If you come speak to me like that and address me in my yard, so. You're out of there, girl. I know the public never up there from morning either before me leave. And you see, anyhow me go up there and see me know say you and him did up there in a bed. And a war between me and him and you me go up there go see say he in there. And you just come out, them your timer.
Even one man named Bushcash, he come and get come call him. And me I sweep up down there, so I tell him say, he gone out.
Bush
He gone. Bushcash.
Bushcash. Wait, hold on. Bushcash?
Yeah.
That name they sound familiar. I think I meet somebody earlier today, you know, named Bushcash. He no come over here.
No, sir, no come
Okay.
away.
Okay. Because I don't want no stranger in my yard. I don't know him from nowhere. I first met see him. And this little dirty foot boy, I can't tell me say he better me there with him more than my sister, man.
But you know what, Tada? Run away in front of you. Run away, dirty footboy from you.
You're hypocrite, you know?
Me?
What you mean?
Yeah,
Say,
hypocrite.
of course.
No, you are telling me to
No. You come like you not listen to what you say. You say, but him no out order. That means he have right to tell me what he say.
No, me I feel like him. I saying, oh, Tada.
He out order.
Yeah, oh, Tada, if you tell her that.
You see, any you see him come back, I not remember how he look. Because it's the first me they see him. You see, any you see him come back nowhere, so?
I run him one.
Tell him say camera there.
So, camera there? I never know that. So, which party there? Outside or inside?
What happened? Oh, you sound so suspicious. Why you want to know where the camera there? You live here? The camera disguised and we not supposed to tell nobody. We not supposed to tell nobody at all which party there. So why you want me to tell you?
Just
Me if I tell you now, that's when time you...
Guard up myself.
Guard up.
Yeah.
Are you bravey?
No,
I see me yard.
me not mean you carry no money in about force anything, like anything I come off for me for this so me can run in. I just glad the camera there. I just want to see.
Where did you say your name again? Underneath the other day when you start work here. Come like you forgot your name. Let me tell you something. Hello. Me look like one idiot to you, not true?
No.
Me look like a some fool. Hello. Camera there here to pick up anything when anybody do. So if you have no intention of doing anything wrong, no bother with it. Because me and the woman we work with are friends like this. And me will make you lose your work. Because whole heap of people there road they want to walk. You hear me tell you? So if you know me know, you clean up our place good and no bother with your foolishness.
course, me clean up the lady.
You notice, I notice from me I talk to you about me and my sister, man, they come smile like you and I'm in a business.
No, so me not smell nothing but no man. Nothing at all. Nothing at all.
So, how you smell so?
Smell how?
Like a man they hold you up?
Lord Jesus, me.
So you
no
no
man
know?
now hold me up and me alone up there work for morning. I chew me tired and doze off.
I don't trust you. You don't know the scent when one man, some man smell good and some man not smell good. Oh, you smell like a public so. Public have one special cologne when me always...
Check again, cause me no go outside the public.
Public have one cologne where one of your friend came from foreign come give and it smell good, expensive, and me know that scent you smell.
Sure
unless you go in your room, go spray out in things if you know up there.
Me nah go to public room cause me no belongs to in there.
Unless you and him go in a bed, and I know say you have your man, you know. And you spray up with cologne for when you go home, your man smell your sweet. Like I know sitting you just don't do, but let me tell you something. You see public perfume, it's for me and my sister. Nothing no other girl.
Me no belongs to in there so me nah go in there so you know what? Time later now so me a come go home cause me tell you already say I tired till they make me doze off. Me a come now.
No.
Me go me yard.
Where you go?
Me a go me yard. Me yard. Let me come
Let me see
out.
in your bag, cause if none of public underpants in your bag.
Look in there cause no in the film. See there. I feel me close them there.
Public underpants in there.
No, for me close them in
I
there. Me
want
not
me
have
and my
public
sister man underpants.
underpants.
In
No.
your dirty
What me
bag.
I do with the
Your
man
bag smell
underpants?
bad now. One where you go?
Alright, ma'am, alright. Gonna me yard.
Don't trust a girl, you know. Any day me catch you with him, I see you will find out. Watch her. Where you tap the sun a peep for. Let me go up there go see public and you will see the next day when you come in and you work. Wait, because every day for the week you come, you know. You will find out. I mean, I'm not joking with you. Damn bright. Any girl sleep with public different from his sister. What will you see for me out? Date before this son.
You want to say a Bushka shall represent for public report. I don't know say yeah. More all on go report over to the channel and subscribe and share. I don't know say for this year be a new movie so more want to prepare. I don't know say more want to sit down in front of the television or on the phone and just watch see the movie them loud and clear in a HD, don't it? Bushka shall represent so. You don't know the best video them may come out with. Big up Richard Brown film. You see me I say big up all the actor them, Jada, everybody. Can't remember everybody's name, but big up every actor. Big up Public Report, Real Youth. Big up the whole of foreign, everywhere in go tour. Them man tour the whole world, you see? So we are doing a movie thing and that's something we love. We not do it for no money, we just love it. I do it, subscribe and share. Please, me I beg you. Please, subscribe, share, notification bell. You don't know a story. Boosh, gosh. Bust them head. Really?
Hey guys, you know it's your girl Jada known as Jade, you know. That is place we at the public. Well, you know, it's the girl Jada known as Jade in the place, guys. We are keeping active and you know, big up to Paradise Nation, Public Report, chat about 10 original, and big up to all of the crew and all of the support guys. Candy Empress, we love you guys. Empress. Guys, we love you all, guys. Thanks for your support and help and stuff, guys. Peace out.
For the whole. Wow! What a hole. Oh, shit, man, don't say that boy. Public! Where you going, idiot? You know, you go big up yourself. You don't know Paradise Nation and represent the Public Report official. You know, you go. Don't know one thing. We there, so I look out and I watch the scenery. I watch the cloud them change as they go. You see me? I saw some people change, you know, just like how the weather change, I saw some people change. So make sure you're the one where nah change. So like how the mountain in there one place are nah change. Yeah, but you improve. You understand? Big up yourself. Public Report official, alternate sailor, outside.
Hi guys. You know it's a Candy Empress in the building right now. Long time we don't see me, not sure. A big enough. Well, guess what? Big up on yourself. This is coming from Candy Empress to the world. Candy Forever, original. This is original Candy Empress from Richard Brown Film. Well, right now I want to go over to Public Report official channel. Remember, any movie you want to watch, any content you want to sip on it, you need to subscribe, like, share and leave a comment. Big up on yourself. I don't know if you can the Empress always love you. Anyway, you know them I send love from yard straight to broad. Here and now, you don't know say the Richard Brown Films channel is the original channel, and that's where we come from. And we still there, we still stay there. All know we no left and that we are going to reach far. Right now, I need you to go over to Richard Brown's Films. Subscribe, like, share, leave a comment. You don't know say Richard Brown is the original filmmaker from long time. Yeah man. So anybody out there who want to do acting, you understand me? As long as you know a woman and you can act, get in touch with Richard. You can DM him on Instagram.
You can DM me too, man.
And you can DM Public Report too. You understand what I say straight? Even DM me. You can DM me too on Instagram. Big up on yourself. If you're serious, you understand me? So when you call or DM the names them I just tell you, whosoever I just tell you about, anytime when you get in touch with them, you and them we talk about it. Right? When you call me, because when you see me number on it too, you know, in some places for them, I not even remember where they but you go and go look for me. Anyway, when you see me, you know, say, so you know, say, can the love you know bad. Here and now, this is new year, and you don't know, so we say no so nice and clean movie for you already. I mean, you all enjoy it and you love it, big up on yourself. When I don't know, say no eat no in our heart, be a love we say. Be a love we say to the world. Hear me now. When we say be a love to the world, what me say? Bless up on yourself and you don't know, say can the Empress love you now. Guess what? Chop backside, man. Guess what? Go over to Paradise Nation. What's your name? Me always have problem with him channel, you know. Me don't remember what your name, but you don't know Alton already. Paradise Nation, go over there, go like, subscribe, leave a comment and share. Big up on yourself. And guess what? Me I leave out one channel. Why you not do? Come right here, so come there and see a little. I want a little worm, you know, man. Big up yourself. Okay, we don't know who this already. A troublemaker. Always go and X up herself, always me not see her. She happy. You know her style. She not one now. Move. Here right now. Big up on yourself. And I don't know say. Public Report official channel needs your views, need your like, your share, your comment, also subscribe. So big up on yourself because we have enough, plenty new movie come out for now. Because I don't know, so we are the actress and the actors in the place, Jamaican actress from yard to Broadway, I send the thing straight. I love you guys, I'm out. Mwah.
Yeah man, thanks for checking in, thanks for supporting, thanks for liking, thanks for sharing, thanks for commenting, thanks for being here, thanks for being a part of the family, thanks for being a part of my journey, this is very special to me because it's something I love, I enjoy to do it. I'm going to check out Sister-in-Law Part 2 and I hope you enjoy it. Because friend reach us, let me say enjoy it, you know what I mean? So bless up on yourself. Do the right thing, man. Continuously like, share, support the whole movement, Richard Brown Films, you know what I mean, Public Report, Paradise Nation, Candy Empress, you know what I mean, the whole team. One dream, one team. Big up on yourself and thanks to everybody who has been supporting us, whether by sending $5, $2, $3, $10, whatever the case may be. I appreciate you, you know what I mean, and thanks again. Respect our manners again. Share it. Do nothing. I am out of words right now because I'm emotional. I know I'm bad for this thing, you know what I mean? So bless up on yourself, thanks again. And all more content coming your way. Alright, because we're there at work right now. You know, we just pause a while ago just to post this for Uno, alright? So bless up on yourself, enjoy, alright? Thank you. Oh!
You're gentle and wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite.